Hey everyone, Rhea Dawn here with Neural News Network, where we explore how emerging tech is reshaping our world. Today, we're talking about Tesla's newest innovation, the Tesla bot, also known as Optimus. It's not science fiction anymore. This robot is designed to tackle real-world tasks. But as it enters industries from manufacturing to healthcare, a big question looms: could it replace human jobs? Let's break down what Tesla bots are capable of, where they could fit in, and what it means for our future job landscape. What is the Tesla bot? Tesla recently introduced Optimus, a humanoid robot engineered to handle both simple chores and complex tasks. With tech similar to Tesla's self-driving AI, Optimus has the potential to assist, or even replace, human workers. Imagine a bot that works alongside you, performing the physical, repetitive, or hazardous tasks you might dread. But here's the twist: Optimus isn't just a futuristic gadget, it's designed to be practical and, eventually, affordable. Inside the bot, standing at 5 feet and weighing around 125 pounds, the Tesla bot is built to resemble the human form, with advanced AI vision and dexterous fingers to interact with objects as we do. Tesla envisions this bot taking on dangerous, tedious, or physically demanding tasks. Sounds helpful, right? But with these capabilities, Optimus has sparked debate. Could widespread use lead to fewer jobs for humans? Industries in focus. Let's look at some of the industries Tesla bots might disrupt. Manufacturing. Factories still rely on humans for many repetitive tasks, from assembly to quality checks. A bot like Optimus, built for precision and stamina, could easily take on these roles, leading to fewer workplace injuries and lower costs for companies. But here's the catch: if a robot can work around the clock without the need for benefits or breaks, will companies still need human employees? Logistics. From loading and unloading trucks to sorting packages, Optimus could potentially transform logistics, one of the largest employers worldwide. Bots that can handle tasks like these might allow companies to reduce costs, but also pose a threat to human jobs in an industry that's currently labor-intensive. Retail and customer service. While a friendly face in retail can't be fully replaced, imagine a Tesla bot helping with stock management, store cleaning, or even basic customer queries. The retail industry might not see bots replacing every role, but they could change the need for as many human workers. Healthcare. Optimus could even have a place in healthcare, assisting with cleaning tasks or moving heavy equipment. This could help reduce burnout for healthcare workers, but it also raises the question of job security for support staff in the sector. The tech versus human equation. Of course, Tesla bots aren't an instant fix for everything. They're highly skilled at repetitive tasks but lack what we bring to the table: creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. Tasks that involve problem-solving, designing, or strategizing are still uniquely human. Another barrier? Cost. Developing, purchasing, and maintaining Tesla bots is expensive. Small and medium-sized companies may struggle to afford them, so for now, widespread job replacement might not happen as quickly as it sounds. Balancing humans and bots. As robots become more common, governments might step in to regulate their impact on jobs. Experts predict we'll see a cooperative future where bots and humans work together rather than compete. Tesla bots might handle repetitive or risky tasks, freeing humans up for roles that require creativity or critical thinking. And here's the upside: new tech means new jobs. Think of all the roles that could emerge to build, program, and maintain robots like Optimus. From bot engineers to maintenance technicians, this shift could create opportunities that didn't exist before. Bigger questions to tackle. Beyond the technical possibilities, there are ethical and social questions to consider. Is it fair to replace human workers with machines? What happens to displaced workers, especially in vulnerable industries? These are questions society, businesses, and policymakers will need to address, and we might even see more discussions around universal basic income or social safety nets as tech continues to evolve. A new era in the workforce. The Tesla bot represents a shift in how we think about work. While the robot revolution may sound intimidating, it's possible that bots like Optimus could ultimately reshape the job market in ways that lead to greater efficiency and open up new fields for human skill and ingenuity. So, are we looking at a future where robots replace us, or will they become valuable teammates? Should we be excited or worried? Let's talk about it in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for all the latest on tech trends and innovations. Thanks for watching Neural News Network. See you next time.